Hey, and myself Vasudev, and the last video I showed in RRT is just really short up, so I think I should just do it again. So, this video is about AI dependency. Like, I believe AI, we have become more dependent on AI. Is not like a totally false truth statement. Like, these are the stigmas which were there when the Google have arrived. Like, people are becoming less clever, and also, but over the time, human mind has adapted them, and it has come out to be like both positive and negative, such as like and the knowledge is super accessible with AI. Like, I think the knowledge will become super accessible. Right now I will have the same knowledge as someone from in a Oxford library or so. Like, the accessibility of knowledge has become more simpler. Like, you can just use tools like Cursor and such as, and code in a way like a really pro coder or a Google developer will be able to code. And it's now about more taste and hard work and the rest. And the but there are negative things, like there is such as cognitive atrophy. Like, there is a study, like people have to write a research paper, and people who used Google and books have remembered it more, and not the people who have used AI, because like it was just spoon feeding us with the information, and the information we were getting were super easy to get. So that's a true, yeah, that's true. And I think the second one is there is surely bias. Like, if you will just chat GPT, it will just try to be a really justify your actions. If you will just talk to ChatGPT and say something like which you did wrong, but it will somehow manage to justify your actions. So there will be bias, and there could be history bias. Like, you can just write something in history about a day or event which occurred, and it can just totally make it biased towards you. So yeah, there will be problems with the AI, but aren't these problems already exist with books or like the Google? Like, there are propaganda books which are there. There are propaganda websites, new channels that exist. So, like, with the source of information, these problems are always existing. That's not something special to AI. We need to fix them as soon as, if we will be able to fix them as soon as possible, it will be a good thing, no doubt. But yeah, these problems always existed. So yeah, and the only reason I'm shooting this in RRT is because last video I shoot and it showed up. It had good a lot of views. Surprisingly, I don't know how it got so many views. And it was the worst video I've ever shot, to be very honest. Right now I don't know what I'm talking about. So yeah, and that's what I have called. That's the crux of it. That we should use AI, not get used by it. We should be smart enough not to be controlled by AI and all that. We should avoid cognitive atrophy and just use AI as a tool, and don't forget that AI has provided us with so much of information that we can use it in our great. Don't just waste it. It's like a great potential. Don't just waste it. It's a great opportunity for everyone around each, for everyone, because now the knowledge is so accessible. Like, the amount of people who can, like 10 or 12 people are required to code an app now at the same period of time as like 2 or 3 people can do that. So with just, so it's super accessible. Yeah, that's what my, I think dependency on AI, yes, dependency on AI will increase. I think AI will become an important part of our life, an important tool, like how way important than Google ever was, Google Assistant ever was, for sure. But will there be negatives of it? I believe yes, there will be negative of it, like such as cognitive atrophy. Surely it will be there. Like with social media, there are so much fake news. So yeah, obviously cognitive atrophy will be there. So it's on us to decide not to get used by it. I think I have spoken enough. All I've spoken everything that I want to speak here. So peace out. Well, I want to be consistent, but I don't know. Like, I'm just coming back from a hackathon right now. So, and that's what I was doing the last time. So, while boarding or deboarding I will try to be more consistent.